All right, guys. So this is the moment that honestly I had been, waiting for the longest ever since I ordered the vehicle. Honestly, the first drive of the vehicle was very special. Unfortunately, the streets of LA do not make it special. As you guys can see, this thing is really freaking bumpy, and it's making the whole ride really uncomfortable. And not to mention, I lost the audio file. So honestly, this is me on my way to go get the vehicle gassed up for the first time. So I'll pick it up once I get there. Alright guys, so I went ahead and installed the frameless mounts. We went ahead and got gassed up the vehicle at the local Shell station right by the dealership. They normally put Chevron, but for me they went ahead and made the exception and we got Shell. So thank you so much, Ara. So again, if you guys need anything, reach out to Ara at Beverly Hills BMW. He'll take care of you guys. And again, I installed the frameless mounts. I got the M Performance mount on there. I'm gonna go ahead and surprise my son at school. He doesn't know I'm actually picking him up. It's his first day of school from summer vacation. He just started 8th grade as well, so it's gonna be a lot of fun to see his reaction. No, he's definitely not expecting this. I kind of had mentioned it since he did see it. He was there with me when I first saw it for the first time. But I want to see his reaction when I pick him up from school. So this is going to be fun. Stick around. Oh, and not to mention, I got here early just to get a good spot. So I'm going to have to wait another 40 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pick it up once it's getting close to
stereo MCs, but
it's 3 o'clock. School let out. I'm just going to wait for him to get here. Obviously, I just don't want to record any of the other kids just because I don't have permission and I don't want to get in trouble. So I'm just gonna wait for my son to get here and then I'll get his reaction. But for now, like I said, I'm just waiting for him to just show up. Given that it's the first day of school, I'm hoping that he's gonna go ahead and pop out around the same area where I picked him up last year. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this down for a second and then I'll pick it up when he's here. For the first day of school, honestly, it's really crazy out here. It's quite the carnival. Alright guys. Yeah, what do you think? So guys, this is my son and my videographer. What do you think?
It's cool. Didn't expect it.
You didn't expect it?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's a good surprise, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Sorry, it's a little crazy out here right now, right?
Yeah.
A lot of traffic, first day of school. So how was school?
It was good.
Nice. So guys, right now with the whole, everything that's going on, he's being cautious. So he just came out from school, so he's gonna keep his mask. I'm gonna go ahead and just maybe crack the window a bit so I don't get his germs. Just kidding, I don't care. But that's his own personal choice. We're actually gonna head back to the house. Are you hungry, or you wanna just go back to the house?
Let's head back.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and head back to the house. Obviously the car is still going under its 1500 mile braking period, so I cannot accelerate, so I'm not gonna be going crazy, but we'll go ahead and maybe get some comments from Moses in regards to the way the car rides as opposed to the M4, and yeah, this should be fun. I mean, and he's also been aware of the sorry guys, that's in my seatbelt. So he was also in the F80, so he is well aware of what the potential is for both vehicles. So again, this should be interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and just get to a good point because right now we're at the light, so we'll pick it up once we're in a good spot to open her up. So what do you think so far of the car?
It looks good. And I like the color of the car, and the wheels are nice on the car.
Did it send out to you when you were approaching the car? What was it that stood out the most of the car?
Probably like the color from all the other cars that I saw.
Nice. It is a different color than what's out So we're not too far away from my house. We're gonna go ahead and, you know, just discuss a little bit more about the car, but I think we might have a little welcome home party for it. I'm not sure. I went ahead and I brought this up to some of the guys in the group chat that I was bringing the car home. They might be stopping by to check out the car, so if you guys want to stick around, keep joining me on this delivery day. Thank you so much. If you guys are enjoying this content, go ahead and hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you guys you know, turn on your notifications so you guys don't miss any content, any of this new delivery day with the new car. Again, just go ahead and link down below. Yo, check it out.
Wow, Daniel. I even have the chills. Bro, you still have the tape on it too?
Yeah.
Dang, man. Beautiful, beautiful spec, man. Congrats.
Thank you.
Sheesh.
Yo, what's up, Brendan?
How you doing?
Man,
Good.
what's going on?
What up, what up?
Bro.
Yo, what's up, Brendan?
Gee, look at clean. 1 of 1, baby.
That is absolutely fire.
Wow.
What the?
Pause. I'm going. Alright guys, so I've been home for a while now, and we got Aras over there. We got Brandon, like you guys saw earlier. We got Kevin, and then we got Noe over there. So Noe. So they came over here to, you know, just check out the car. We got a few people, a few more stopping by to check it out. Honestly, the way the color changes with the lighting is makes this color really special. You know, it looks like a two-tone color or something.
Congratulations,
Yeah,
dog.
thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank
hermano.
you.
Appreciate it.
Crazy, huh?
Thanks.
Sticker and everything.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thanks, bro.
Congrats, man. This is
Appreciate
sick.
it.
Hey, did they give you a carbon piece that fits over
I
this?
have it there. I just they had the piano black piece on there, but no, I have the piece on there. I was gonna put it on right now, but since I'm gonna have the whole car PPF'd, I don't want to put it on because they're gonna struggle to take it off again. So right now it's just sitting loose because I don't have the other piece. It's in here. No, I'll turn it on, but I'm waiting for yeah, I'll turn it on. Yeah. I'm waiting. Honestly, nothing feels more special than picking up a car than having all your boys with you. So we got James, we got Brandon, we got Aras, we got Gokor, we got Noe, we got Jason, we got Mark, we got PK, we got Kevin, my buddy Robert over here. So honestly, guys, this is awesome to have a nice full house full of M's. As you guys saw, we have Aras's X6, we have Noe's Chrome E92. We got Robert's M6, Mark's M3, we got Gokor's M3, we got James' M3, we got Jason's M3, we got Kevin's M3, we got Brandon's M4, and then we still have Brian coming. We have we got Brian, we got William coming by. So guys, this is gonna be an awesome day.
Like a motorcycle.
Are we gonna go get food?
Yeah,
Are we
Hey,
good?
look who's back!
Alright guys, so I went ahead and lost the audio file. Thank you guys for showing up. Kevin, Mark, Gokor, Clement, Brian, James, Brandon, Ayers, Noe, Robert, Jason, Enrique. And a special thanks to Moses as well for honestly just being part of this delivery day. It really means a lot to me that you guys shared this day with me. And more than anything, to the viewers, I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for enjoying this moment with me. I'm really humbled by it, and this honestly makes it even more special. If you guys liked today's video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. We have plenty of mods coming along the way. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see done to the G80. I do have a few mods coming, so stay tuned for that. You guys definitely don't want to miss that. That color is just so beautiful. Check it out, those laser lights. Yep, somewhere there's something for this baby over here. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.